What's up guys, today we're going to be checking out and testing out the Homeika vacuum cleaner. So my first impression of actually using this is that it handles fairly nicely. The suction is really good as well, and especially for the price, I think it's an overall really good vacuum cleaner. This is a wireless vacuum cleaner, that meaning it does have to be recharged, and it also has this little holster to hold the attachments with it too. That being said, it does have a couple attachments with it, so it is pretty versatile. But yeah, I love the fact that it is wireless but yet rechargeable, and it has a holster to keep everything in order. And yeah, for the price, I think this is an amazing vacuum cleaner.